Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone camera focus is not working. iPhone camera not focusing. So guys, how to fix this issue? Firstly, if you are using camera app and focus is not working, simply close the camera app and open it again and fix your problem. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is clean the camera lens. Dust, dirt or fingerprints might causes focus issue. Gently clean the lens with a soft cloth or tissue paper and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check software update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS versions. As update often include bug fixes and improvement. Tap on the settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is restart your iPhone and fix your problem. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue, fix bugs. Simply tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely turned off, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is open the camera app, tap the screen, refocus. Tap the screen where you want to camera to focus. Simply tap the screen, you can see, and focus working. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for physical damage. If your iPhone has been dropped or damaged, the camera might be physically damaged. Contact support.apple.com and visit an Apple store for further assistance. If solution number 6 is not working, applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is reset iPhone settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings to confirm this action. When your iPhone setting is completely restored, your focus problem is fixed. If solution number 8 is not working, applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is check for app configs. If you have recently installed a new app, try deleting it to see if it resolves the issue. If all solutions are not working, simply backup and restore your iPhone and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone camera not focusing on iPhone after update iOS 17.5. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.